Blackheads versus sebaceous filaments challenge. Can you spot the difference? Quick challenge. Look closely at the nose. Can you tell which pores contain blackheads and which contain sebaceous filaments? Most people can't. In fact, some of the pores that look the darkest aren't blackheads at all. Today we're putting your skincare knowledge to the test in the Blackheads versus sebaceous filaments challenge. Let's see if you can spot the difference. Round 1, the visual test. At first glance, both can look very similar. Tiny dark dots, visible pores, congested appearance. But appearances can be misleading. What is a blackhead? A blackhead forms when oil becomes trapped inside a pore, dead skin builds up, the pore remains open. When air reaches the buildup, oxidation occurs and the material turns dark. What is a sebaceous filament? A sebaceous filament is completely different. It is a natural oil channel inside the pore. Its job is to move sebum from beneath the skin to the surface. Everyone has them. Challenge question. Which one usually appears, larger, darker, more random in distribution? Answer. Blackheads. Sebaceous filaments are usually more uniform and evenly spread. Round 2, extraction test. Now let's compare what happens during deep pore cleaning. Blackheads often come out as compact plugs. Sebaceous filaments usually appear softer and more oil-like. The biggest mistake people make: many people spend months trying to permanently remove sebaceous filaments. But unlike blackheads, they naturally return because they are part of healthy pore function. Final scorecard: blackheads, white heavy checkmark true pore blockage, white heavy checkmark darker appearance, white heavy checkmark random distribution, white heavy checkmark can become enlarged, sebaceous filaments, white heavy checkmark natural pore structure, white heavy checkmark usually gray, yellow, or light brown, white heavy checkmark more evenly distributed, white heavy checkmark return naturally over time. Challenge results. If you thought every dark pore was a blackhead, you're not alone. This is one of the most common skincare misconceptions. Understanding the difference can completely change how you view pore care. Final message: not every visible pore problem is a blackhead. Sometimes the most important skincare improvement starts with understanding what's actually in the pore. How many did you get right in the challenge? Comment below and let us know. And if you enjoyed this Blackheads versus Sebaceous Filaments challenge, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more skincare education, pore cleaning, and satisfying extraction videos.